I think the main thing I take away from the conference is how no reductionistic model can ever work. A medical model can't work, a psychological model can't work, a social model can't work if it's all by itself. But we really need all three steps in the tripod. We need to have an understanding of the social needs of patients. We need to understand their psychological makeups. And for some people, medication is going to be very important in treatment. And I think that the effort to get more services into the community, particularly for the people who need them most, getting a place to live, getting support for the person during day-to-day life, I think that's absolutely crucial. And the Richmond Fellowship does that just beautifully. Part of the problem is that there's too many dollars in hospital beds and not enough dollars in the community. And I think that the more people are supported outside of hospital, the fewer people will wind up within it. The trouble is that very often when hospital beds are closed, the money doesn't follow. And so the crucial thing is a political decision to keep the funding in mental health, but to do it more and more for outpatient and support services. And also the most interesting conferences I've ever been to. I think that the planners brought together not just wonderful speakers, but absolutely wonderful audience. And the interaction between the audience and the speakers has been just intellectually stimulating and emotionally very moving.
People can and do recover from mental ill health.